Hello and welcome back. This is part 6 of a 7-part series of grounding your body. We are grounding your body because that is the summer body that you want. You want a body that is alive and connected and active in all seasons. And sometimes that's really hard when it gets warmer and we're showing more skin. It can feel really vulnerable. So I want you to think about today for part 6, I want you to assume that your body wants to heal. It actually wants to show up in a really safe way if we allow it. I want you to be kind to all parts. I want you to imagine that it's actually wanting to feel safe. It wants to feel connected. And I want you to imagine that you were designing a t-shirt that had a saying that you reminded of this, that reminded you to be kind. That could be a saying. And maybe your t-shirt says, be kind, or be free, or smile, or look up, or take up space. Look around the room and look at how much space your body is taking. It is allowed to be there. Let it be there. And notice the pace of how your body is moving, the air that it's taking up, the sound that it's making. Get really good at the details of what your body's experiencing. Your body is actually wiser than your mind. Your mind was never meant to be in charge. It's just a traveling companion. So let your body lead, allow your body to heal and receive what it has to say. And what's that exercise like for you? Stay tuned for part 7 of the 7-part series of A Summer Body.